Hi guys, it's Lindsay. I'm the creative coordinator here at Bisque Imports, and today we're going to be creating this very patriotic star-spangled lighted tree. Perfect for 4th of July. So trees can be trendy all year long with all the holidays, so this one will be great for Independence Day, and here's how we're going to create this project. The supplies that you're going to need to create this project are the small lighted tree, Kaboom, Caribbean Blue, Cottontail, Hot Tamale, White Designer Liner, a Cobalt Fan Brush number 4, Cobalt Round Brush number 1, a Detail Liner Brush, a Hydra Art Sponge, pencil, and pipe cleaners. Start by putting small pipe cleaners in all the holes of your tree. This helps prevent glaze from clogging the holes while painting. Then, using a fan brush, add Caribbean Blue splotches all over the tree. Next, take a damp Hydra Art Sponge and wipe off the excess glaze, leaving blue in the cracks and crevices. Then, using a fan brush, paint 2 coats of Kaboom all over the tree. Let your tree dry. Next, take a pencil and draw a patriotic bunting pattern around the base. Paint the bunting stripes with 2 to 3 coats of Hot Tamale, Caribbean Blue, and Cottontail. You can use your detail liner and round brush for this. Next, paint 2 to 3 coats of hot tamale on the star using your round brush. With your detail liner brush, add Caribbean blue stars on the centers of the bunting. Then add a blue star outline on top of the star of the tree. Let everything dry. Then take white designer liner and add small white stars on the blue bunting stripes. Blue stars in the center of the red star on top. Next, take white designer liner and add white stripes on the bottom red sections of the bunting. Remove the pipe cleaners and patch up any areas around the holes if needed. No clear glaze is required. Fire to cone 06 and enjoy this patriotic star-spangled tree. All right guys, so that's how we turn this into this. Don't worry about any little fuzzies that are left over from the pipe cleaners. Those will burn off in the kiln. And don't forget to check out fiskimports.com for a bunch of amazing products, and I hope you guys have a wonderful 4th of July. USA, 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 America. Woo!